soit besoin de voir quelqu'un au bout. OK.
Langi yo vraiment.
Qui ça?
Langi
yo qui s'appelle comme ça?
Non, m'dou langi yo ou tu m'as voyé dans quelqu'un yo, m'dou qui yo ça?
Recording, monsieur. Israël, Pater Aggee. On nous parle sérieux. Vous pensez pas Israël? On va parler de la foi.
Mpa ka di mpa Israël, non? Même pas ka di c'est Israël dans le sens où petit là.
On va parler de la foi. Je me pose une question directe. Est-ce qu'on pense pas?
C'est un grand monde de Israël là.
Hein?
Un grand monde de Israël. Un grand monde de Israël. On pas quelque monde Israël. Tout le monde qui est Israël, son monde qui est Israël.
OK. Bon, changer question. Parce que je ne vais pas
Israël.
OK. Pater Aggee. Pater Aggee. Est-ce qu'on suspect ou qu'a sorti dans une tribu Israël?
Pas suspect rien.
Ou pas suspect ça?
Non, pas suspect. Je pense que c'est dans une tribu Israël.
Eh bien, ou qu'un Égyptien, oui?
Je connais moi sorti directement dans bon Dieu.
Ça veut dire là, c'est pas comprendre.
Oui, on ne va pas comprendre, mais ça me lit dans Genèse chapitre 1, verset 26. Faisons l'homme à notre image selon notre ressemblance.
Oh, ça chrétien, il faut ça?
Comme c'est l'homme moins. On est dans le problème ça.
Regardez dans Somme 82 pour ça, non? Comment c'est que je vais lire? Somme 82. Merci. Il y a Somme 83, tout bon. Je remember.
Qui va aimer musique ça?
Vous parlez de musique là? Eh bien, c'est pas.
Nous sommes un monde qui sous cap chanter.
OK, ouais, bon, moi mettre quelques petits monde qui est d'homme, bah mettre mon aide. Mettre petit monde noir à pas mettre d'homme yo à pas. Bah. Qui monde moi-même?
Yeah.
I got all the help in this way.
You're sure?
Ou compte qui monde qui help moi?
Vous raisonnez même avec mon Ayiti. Je suis riche, je me suis enrichi, je n'ai besoin de rien.
Qui
I'm rich.
Qui
I make myself rich. I don't need. You see the church of Laodicea.
Laodicea.
That's not the thing.
Et musique ça, ouais, même?
I'm not some kind of idea.
Bon, on va aller là dans le vallée, 80. 86, semble.
In verse 6, he said, I said, you are gods. Indeed, all of you are son of the Most High.
Qui ça n'a eu qui dit ça, 82?
Yeah, verse 6, I said, you are gods. Indeed, all of you are son of the Most High.
Hallelujah.
I'm son of the Most High.
You are Hebrew Israelite.
There was no such a thing at that time. When God created man, there was no Hebrews.
Whoa.
It was Adam and Eve.
Oh, Upedi.
Upedi. Again, Hebrew, ça, again, Hebrew.
Wagita kone.
Regardez,
bataille ça. Ou pas y vont mon bois dire ça. Pater Aggee.
He said, let us make Hebrews. He said, let us make man.
Ou pas y vont moment.
Man.
Ou pas y vont moment. Ou pas dire messieurs. Mais ça c'est l'étape de mieux, c'est vérité. Regardez côté point là.
Pas bien distancé le pas pour moi.
Promesse ou pas dire ça. Promesse ou pas dire ça. Bon me trouver un bagay. Na Esaïe, li do nan Esaïe 45:17, li do Israël shall be saved. Li pa do toute nation pral vin save. Nan Jeremiah chapitre 23 verset 6, li do Judah shall be saved. Mba jam kote li do toute nation pral be saved. Nan Romans 11:26 nou te li deja, li do all Israel shall be saved. Okay? Li do nan Romans 9:27, a remnant shall be saved. Li do nan Acts 5:31 to give repentance to
Is they talking about a remnant?
a remnant, meaning moun ki kebe commandement yo ou pa plada, non? Ou pa plada. So continue kon so pa plada.
That's okay, that's fine.
Li do nan Acts chapitre 5 verset 31, I am right now. He said to give repentance to Israel. He didn't say to give repentance to everybody. Il pa di m'bay bay repentance pour tout le monde. Il dit m'bay bay repentance à de Israël seulement. Vous entendez? So c'est ça le do. Et puis dans Luc 1, 68 à 70, il dit redeem his people. Who people? His people. Who are his people? Matthew 15:24. Lost sheep of the house of Israel. Zechariah 8:13, Israel, so will I save you. Hallelujah. On va continuer. Tout ça, toute Bible, c'est Israël la parle. Toute Bible. Ou pas Israël, ou pense pas Israël, soit ou sont Hémites, Égyptiens, ou bien Africains, ou les jodia, ou bien ou sont Edom. Ou ka gen sans Edom vraiment, ouais. Ou mettre des peau noire, ou ka gen sans Edom nan ou.
Can you read Acts chapter 17?
You read it.
Therefore, I'm in verse 24. The God who created the world and everything in it. I don't think they're talking about Israel.
What is the world? What is the world according to the Bible?
God didn't create one nation. God created the world and everything in it. This is everything in it.
Continue.
So they're talking about the planet. And he says, He's the Lord of heavens and earth. Does not dwell in temples made with hands, nor is he served by human hands, as though he needed anything. Because it is he who gives to all people life and breath and all things. And he made from one man. And he made from one man, I'm in verse 26. And he made from one man every nation.
Yeah, from Adam. I mean, from Noah. Yeah.
Adam.
From Noah. From Noah.
From Adam.
From Noah.
From one man.
No, from Noah. Adam was not one man. Adam was many. From Noah, he made one. He made every nation. Pastor Aggee, combien Adam qui te gagne?
Just one.
Just one?
Yes.
Ou pas son qui n'a parlé de ça. Semble ça d'accord ma recordo parce que les recordo comme ça pour pas.
One man, every nation.
That's talking about Noah.
On the face, he made from one man
from
every
Noah.
Nation of mankind to live on the face of the earth, having determined their appointed times and the boundaries of their lands and territories. This was so that they would seek God, if perhaps they might grasp for him and find him, though he is not far from each of one of us. For in him we live and move and exist. That is, in him we actually have our being. As even some of your own poets have said, for we are his children. So then, being God's children, we should not think that the divine nature is like gold or silver or stone or image formed by the art of imagination or skill of man. Therefore, God overlooked and disregarded the former ages of ignorance, but now He commits all people everywhere
Pastor Aggee,
to repent.
you don't have to read an entire chapter to make a point.
No, I'm not reading
You read in all the chapter.
because He has set a day when He will judge the inhabited world in righteousness by a man whom He has appointed and destined for that task.
I don't know what's the point. Which verse you want to bring out, because that's a whole chapter. What are you trying to say?
I'm talking about the world, man. Telling me, you know what? There are so many Adam. I don't know where you get that many Adam.
Pater Aggee, on nous retourner, ma point 11 secondes seulement. Et puis